Hey guys, this morning I wanted to talk to you a little bit here about what you want to do with all these websites we have. If you go to web pages and my web pages, you will see whatever you've already created or converted over, and you'll see all of the new pages that everybody has put here, and they keep growing. This list keeps growing. There's quite a few here I have not yet done yet. But here's one thing that you want to keep in mind is that you actually want to copy for the most part on these, because when you do, then if there's a link that is going to anything for yourself, you have the option of editing them. So in other words, instead of just assigning, you can actually click the copy button for any of these, and that also creates a website for you. In other words, that's why these say copy of, because I have not actually changed the name of it yet. So for instance, I'll go and grab a new one. Jim just did this Dubai demo, and there's a pretty cool thing that happens if you do copy. So let's click copy and see where it takes us. What it does is it takes you directly to the edit page, and you can name it anything you want. You don't really have to call it copy of, because it's going to you're going to give it a new name anyway. What you're going to do is you're going to come down here and see where it shows a little space here in front of whatever website you're working with, and you can choose to use if you have more than one website. Right now I have only the one. So obviously you're going to want to call it something so that it makes sense to you. So call it the same thing as the demo so that you know what it is. And then if there are any links in here, like if you own any of the companies, like for instance, I own Empower, like Franco owns Empower, so you would want to say copy so that you get the option of being able to change this link. And then all you have to do is say save. And now you are at the place where you can change things, but you know, I don't want to change anything. I know Jim does good pages, so I'm just going to go and view it. And because I created a subdomain right there and then, I have a subdomain ready to go with exactly what Jim created so that I can put it to use. And this is pretty simple and easy and fun. And if you go back here now to...
Welcome to Doobly.
Oh.
What if you could earn cash back on the things you already buy every day? Now you can. At Doobly, you shop at the same stores you shop.
Since he obviously has a little video going behind that, which makes it super cool. So now we know we have a web page, and so I'm going to leave that, move back over here now to my web pages. And as you can see, I have that Doobly demo that he created. I can share it, I can copy it, I can do whatever I want. Now it's still going to be down here on this list down here as well. It didn't move because of my moving it, but what now has happened is I have created a link here, which now I can share and talk to people, and that makes it really cool for any of the new people. So everyone that is in our whole team, regardless of who brought you in, gets access to all of these shared websites, and you can go and use them. You can go and share them. These will absolutely make it possible for you to build for somebody else. So in my case, I created a course for Facebook, and I can share that. So the only thing I have to do if I made something and I want to share it is to bring it over here, and I'm going to just say A1 Friday Facebook Mastermind, and I'm going to submit that. That puts that down there in that in this one right here, so that when you go back to the web pages, which are right here, now you're going to see my share code in the pile down here somewhere. Or anyway, the people that I'm sharing it with will see it down here. And so I'm going to be obviously converting all of these shared codes up, and I'm going to share what I create. So we're going to just become this great big library of all these things that are available. So no matter who you're talking to, you're going to have the option of being able to share these and with people that are in your downline, people that have decided to become part of yours. And then on top of that, anyone that's in Wake Up Now obviously gets to create something here. Like I created this earlier, I can actually share this code down here, and I think I will, because it's not one I don't think anyone else has done. So I'm going to call it 1-600 Club. So I'm going to share that with you. So now I have 1-600 Club I can actually bring into the group like this. And that makes it possible. That's what everybody here is doing. And that makes it kind of fun. I don't know why I'm coughing today. And I will have this video up shortly so that you can see it. Talk to you later.